What is up, my metaverse family? Welcome back to On-Chain Gaming. So in early September, or maybe it was late September, but in September, I made a video called This Coin Could 1000x. And I was talking about Phantasma Chain, which is a layer 1 blockchain with a ton of utility. And it can not only be used for NFT gaming and what I'm really excited about here on On-Chain Gaming, but it also has a ton of utility with art NFTs and decentralized applications, and it's just a full-fledged layer 1 chain. And I was like, wait, this chain has a $60 million market cap, but the Ecto Wallet is already working, the Phantasma app is already working, there's Pavilion Hub with playable games on it, there's the entire Ghost NFT marketplace, which is completely workable and great on Phantasma. And I was like, wait, this is a $60 million chain that has more utility than some chains that are worth like 70, 100 billion dollars. Like, this doesn't make any sense. So yeah, that's why I made that video saying that I thought SOUL, Phantasma's governance coin, could be a 1000x gem. And since making that video, if we look here at Coinbase, yeah, you can see that SOUL has gone from that $60 million market cap to a now $260 million market cap. In the past year alone, SOUL is up over 4,188%. So the question now is this coin simply kind of like on the way to becoming slightly less undervalued, or is this going parabolic and we're gonna see some kind of pullback? So I think that what we have to keep in mind here is that $258 million is still nothing compared to a lot of these other chains. Like, if you compare it to Neo Chain, Neo is worth $3 billion. Or if you compare it to Polkadot, let's see what it's actually worth right now. I believe it's going to be worth so much more than Phantasma with less real use cases today. Yeah, Polkadot is worth $51 billion, and you can do less on the chain than you can do on Phantasma today, and Phantasma has so much great development going on. So yeah, I feel like maybe SOUL is actually still undervalued, and it's just slowly working its way towards a reasonable valuation, which I think should be somewhere in the billions of dollar range, at least $1 billion. I think today, when you compare it to a lot of the other chains that exist, I mean, you could probably justify it at like the same valuation as Polkadot, like a $50 billion valuation. I think at that point it's not a deal anymore, but it's also not like definitely grossly undervalued if you look at all of the development that's happening behind the scenes on this chain. But yeah, that's enough of the intro. In today's video, what I want to focus on is showing you guys how to buy SOUL using Kucoin, which is like the biggest exchange that currently has Phantasma listed. There's not very many exchanges yet that have listed Phantasma. So Kucoin is the best place currently to buy SOUL token. And I made a video previously showing you guys how to buy SOUL through Uniswap and how to stake SOUL on the Phantasma blockchain and earn KCAL rewards, kind of all through the Ethereum ecosystem. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy SOUL on Kucoin and how to move it into the Phantasma chain from the Neo ecosystem, and then start staking to earn KCAL as well that way. Because I think this route is honestly a lot more cost effective than buying your SOUL through Uniswap, just because Ethereum fees are so ridiculously high. And with Uniswap, you lose like 10%. If you're doing a big swap, you lose like 10% just on the swap on Uniswap. It's quite ridiculous. So yeah, KCAL is a lot more affordable place to do that. So yeah, what we're gonna be doing now is we're gonna jump over to my computer, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to buy SOUL on Kucoin, move it over to Phantasma, and start staking it on the Phantasma blockchain. So if that sounds good to you, remember to drop a big thumbs up on this video, hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Also hit that notification bell, and let's get into it.
On-Chain Gaming.
All right, guys, so welcome to my computer. I am here on the Kucoin website now. to show you how to buy Soul Coin. Now, one thing I really like about Kucoin is that there is no required KYC, meaning you don't have to send them an ID, you don't have to do any type of user verification. Now, you totally can, and you do need to do KYC if you want to buy Soul directly with cash on Kucoin. But if you're just moving some like US dollar coin or some US dollar tether into Kucoin from another exchange, then you don't need any know your user verification, and you can withdraw up to 1 Bitcoin a day, which is well over $50,000, which should be fine for most people's needs. Now, guys, I do have a referral link for Kucoin, so if you'd like to use that to support me and On-Chain Gaming, then you can check out the link in the description to this video to actually sign up for Kucoin, but that's not a requirement. But yeah, it would be helpful. So in order to log in or in order to sign up, I actually feel like the easiest way is just with your phone number, because you can just put in your phone number, get your code, type in the code, and then bam, put in your password and you have an account. And it honestly works really, really well, really seamlessly, just with the phone number password verification. But I already have an account, so I am just going to quickly log in here and show you how Kucoin works. So Kucoin is set up a little bit interestingly in that you have a main account and a trading account. So the main account is the account that you can actually like deposit to and withdraw from. And then the trading account is an account that you can actually trade with. So in order to deposit, all you have to do after you've typed in your phone number and created your account is click this little deposit button and then decide what you want to deposit. So every time I've deposited USDC, but Bitcoin works, US dollar tether works, Ethereum works as well. But yeah, you just put in what you want to deposit, and then you decide, is it ERC20 or what is the USDC actually on? If I'm moving it from Coinbase, so my USDC is an ERC20. So I am just going to copy this wallet address here in order to deposit to it. So now I have just gone over to my Coinbase and I'm gonna see if there is any money I can send here from my Coinbase. Yeah, it looks like I have $968 available. So I am now going to paste this address in here, and I saw that the last 4 digits are the same as what I copied. So that's all good. I will hit continue and I will hit send now. Now I'm gonna have to do the 2-step verification for my Coinbase. Bam, type that in and we are confirmed. So now Coinbase is sending that 956 US dollar coin over to my Kucoin. Now on Kucoin, your deposit and withdrawal history shows all the deposits that you've made and all of the withdrawals that you have made as well. And it will take a little bit of time for your US dollar coin or whatever you deposit to actually show up. That's completely normal. It takes Coinbase a little bit of time, or whatever exchange you send to Kucoin from. I could literally just send from my MetaMask or something as well to Kucoin. It takes a little bit of time for that transaction to go through on Ethereum, and then there has to be a certain number of block confirmations before it will show up here on your trading account. But yeah, it's pretty simple. If you did deposit USDC, the trade on Kucoin to buy Soul is actually with US dollar tether, is the most popular one. So the first thing that you might have to do is click to trade your USDC for US dollar tether. So this is the little trading kind of platform that they built here. So I can input my trading code here, which will unlock trading. But yeah, then it's pretty straightforward. You can just put in how much you want to buy at the best market price here, or you can put in a limit price if you only want to pay a certain amount and try to get a better deal. But just know that limit prices, if you put them very conservatively, could take a good amount of time to actually get confirmed. All right, guys. So as we can see here, I have my USDC in my
Kucoin wallet now and can trade it for US dollar tether. So I am just going over here to market. I'm just going to make a market order and buy some US dollar tether. So I hit buy, I successfully placed my order. And then because it's a market order, it's going to go through pretty much instantaneously. So now if I go over to Soul, so you guys could just search Soul up here in the top and go to Soul US dollar tether. And now I can actually buy Soul with my US dollar tether. So I'm going to do another market order here at 225 about, and just click buy Soul again, and we'll see how much Soul I'm able to pick up for $900. So that's gone through now. And I have successfully moved my US dollar coin to Kucoin, then changed it to US dollar tether, and then changed it to Soul, and with much lower fees than I would have had on Uniswap. Now, I do have to say, guys, Kucoin is a centralized exchange. There are decentralized exchanges that you guys can also buy Soul from, like PancakeSwap or Uniswap. And PancakeSwap is on Binance, so your fees are going to be a little bit less than on Uniswap, which is using Ethereum. So after you have some Soul in your trading account that you've just purchased, the first thing that you need to do is transfer it from your trading account to your main account. So you're going to click the transfer button here. It's really straightforward, just trading account to main account, Soul. I want to do the max amount, so I can just click my available balance there, and there we go. It is now gone from here and should appear in my main account. So yep, there it is in my main account. In order to get your Soul now from Kucoin onto the Phantasma chain, you need to make sure that you have a Phantasma wallet. So I highly recommend the Ecto Wallet is what I mostly use. And I'll have all of these links, guys, in the description as well. But yeah, there's a Ecto Wallet Chrome thing that you can just download right there off of Chrome to get the add-on installed. And then also, if you go to the Phantasma.io/wallets page, it tells you about the Poltergeist wallet, which does work as well, but then the Ecto Wallet, which is the Google Chrome add-on. Now, the cool thing about the Poltergeist wallet is you can just download it like directly on Windows or Mac, or get it on your Android or iPhone as an app, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I like using the Ecto Wallet on my Chrome, but then I actually have a Poltergeist wallet on my phone as well. And then I just added my Ecto Wallet address to Poltergeist, so I can access the same wallet either way. Pretty straightforward. But yeah, in order to get your Soul onto the Phantasma wallet, you're going to need to open up your wallet here. So here I have one of my smaller wallets. There's only 843 Soul here, and we want to get this Soul into this wallet. So what we need to do is go to multi-chain. Because currently this Soul that you buy through Kucoin exists on the Neo blockchain. So we're going to want to transfer from Neo, but in order to transfer from Neo, first we have to get some assets into our Neo wallet. So this address right here, which we're going to copy, is the address that we're going to now send our Soul to. So we're going to withdraw our Soul, and we're going to withdraw it to here, this wallet that I just copied. It is on the Neo network, and I'm going to send the max amount because I know that it already works. If you guys do want to test this, you could totally send a smaller amount first. Kucoin charges a 5 Soul fee, which, man, that is going up a lot in cost. That's actually, it costs almost $15 now, which is pretty crazy. Back when Soul was like 60 cents or 20 cents, the 5 Soul fee did not feel like that much. But yeah, we're going to confirm this transaction now. Confirm withdrawal. Let's see. Let me just make sure the address is right. R62R are the last 4 digits of this address that I'm sending to. And yeah, R62R is correct. So we're going to confirm that withdrawal, and I want to do this through SMS verification, actually. As you can see, since you need to verify through text every time you want to make a withdrawal, it is pretty secure, and you can even add 2-factor authentication as well with like the Google Authenticator app if you would like. And yeah, it's all very secure. So now that that is done, it says success. And guys, just so you know, I am not a KYC user on Kucoin. Like, they have no idea who I am. And you can see this $25,000, or actually this $58,000 just withdrew perfectly easily out of Kucoin. But now let's see how long it takes to show up in the Ecto Wallet. So we go over here to multi-chain, and we'll see. This is going to take a second to pop up. But actually, we're not done. This is a very important step that we have to do as well, is because we need to make a transaction on the Neo blockchain to Soul, we actually need to send a little bit of gas to our Ecto wallet as well. So just same exact address that you just sent to. I already have it copied, but just to show you guys, I'm going to copy that address again. This network is on Neo. And then I am going to send a very, very tiny amount of gas because you really don't need that much gas on the Neo blockchain in order to make things happen. So yeah, I'm just sending 0.02 gas, which is not worth very much at all. You can see the total amount of gas that I have on my account, which is 0.13, is worth $1.18. So I'm sending just cents, just hardly anything to this wallet this time. And because it's such a small amount, I don't even need to do the SMS verification this time. But yeah, so now we have done everything that we need to do in order to get our Soul staked on the Phantasma Chain. I would like to point out, guys, there is currently 68.8 million Soul that is staked. It's like 50-50 almost of Soul that's actually available for trading and Soul that's staked, which means that the actual available Soul is a lot less than it shows on CoinGecko or something like that. You can see that I have been withdrawing a bunch of Soul to the Phantasma Chain in order to stake it. At first, I was actually doing all of my Soul purchasing through Uniswap and bought tens of thousands of Soul through Uniswap before I realized, wait, I'm just losing so much doing this. There has to be a better way. And that's when I finally checked out Kucoin and was like, oh yeah, this is much cheaper, much better way to buy a lot of Soul. So this transaction has finally completed here. Let's see. Yes, there's a transaction hash on Neo. We can see that it happened. So if we hop over to our Ecto wallet now, and we hop to multi-chain, go over to Neo. Now we finally see our 25,000 Soul that we moved over to our Ecto wallet here on the Neo side of the wallet. And because we have gas as well, all we have to do is now click send. And we're gonna just send this with a normal fee here, standard, all of it. And I will have to put in my wallet password that I set up here, guys. And if you did not have a wallet yet, you are gonna have to like generate that wallet and make sure you write down your key phrase and all of that. But cool, the swap is in progress. That's what I like to hear. So now we're just gonna wait a bit, and Neo transactions are not that slow. So hopefully within a short amount of time, we're gonna see a little pop-up here that says confirm transaction. So, oh, looks like 0 Soul and 1 gas is here now. So we used 1 of that 2 gas. And if we refresh or hop over here and hop back, there we go. Pending swaps, all we have to do is claim our Phantasma from Neo now. So we click that claim button, and wha-bang, wha-bam, now we have our 25,000 Soul in the Neo wallet. So in order to start earning KCAL, it's very easy. You just hit stake here. I'm gonna stake everything because I really don't have any reason not to. Maybe I'll keep just a tiny bit in my wallet in case I wanna buy some NFTs or anything. I actually did just buy an NFT that I thought was pretty cool. I bought a duck off the Ghost Market. I was like, I need to own an NFT on the Phantasma Chain. Why not? I actually do own some 22 Racing Series NFTs, but yeah, it was pretty fun buying that duck as well. So yeah, now we have 25,000 Soul staked. It is as easy as that. If you guys do stake 50,000 Soul, then you'll become a Soul Master. And there's even additional rewards for being a Soul Master, like you get a crown every 3 months. which you can either destroy and get the KCAL and Soul that is inside it, or if you just hold your crowns, they actually increase the amount of KCAL that you farm every day by 5% per crown that you hold. So yeah, as soon as I stake this, instantly 55 KCAL appeared in my wallet, so I can claim this if I want as well. Then I just won't be able to unstake for 24 hours, but that's absolutely fine. I'm not planning on unstaking anyway. And yeah, if I claim this, all of a sudden you'll see that I have instantly... Oh no, there's been an error in the transaction. It's pending. Oh, that's not a real error. Is pending an error? Cool. All right, it worked that time. So yeah, I already made $8. And that's, I don't know why that error popped up. It worked. $8 in KCAL farmed instantaneously. So yeah, that will be about $8 of KCAL. I mean, if KCAL keeps going higher, who knows what it will end up being. But it should, yeah, be about $8 in passive income per day for having my new soul staked here on the Phantasma Chain. So hopefully you guys found this tutorial helpful and explained how to do everything that you need to do. Now it is important to note, guys, if you want to move your soul back onto another chain. So for example, say I wanted to transfer from Soul to Neo or transfer from Soul to Ethereum, it is important that you have what you need for gas fees in this wallet. So for example, if I wanted to send this soul back to Neo, then I would need to have a little bit of gas in here. Or if I wanted to send my soul over to Ethereum, then I would need a little bit of Ethereum in my wallet to pay the gas fees for that. So yeah, if you go over here and you're like, I can't transfer my soul back to Ethereum, this is a scam. It's because you don't have your gas in here to pay that gas fee. I tried it all out. Trust me, the first thing I did, I moved a tiny bit of soul onto the Phantasma Chain, and then I instantly tried to transfer it back off to see if it would work. But yeah, it does work. But keep that in mind, guys. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that tutorial video. I hope that made it really clear to you how to set up your Kucoin account, how to buy soul, how to stake your soul. And yeah, guys, I think that KCAL, just like Soul, has a lot of upside ahead for it as well. I mean, when I made that video that I mentioned in the intro about how Soul could 1000x, the market cap of KCAL back then was only $3 million. Yes, the $3 million, that's like nothing. And yeah, now I believe the market cap of KCAL has gone up to over 10 million, but it's still very small. And yeah, we might see, I mean, obviously nothing's guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor, but we might see a 10x or 100x or 1000x, dare I say, in the price of KCAL as well. So yeah, guys, if you're farming KCAL now, it could end up being worth a ton. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, dropping a big thumbs up will really be appreciated. It helps out the video a ton in the YouTube algorithm and makes the algorithm recommend it to more people, which is super, super helpful for all of us at On-Chain Gaming. And then also, if you're not subscribed yet and you just watched this whole video, what are you doing? Make sure you hit subscribe and click that notification bell so that you do not miss any future On-Chain Gaming content. And then I'll end by saying thank you to our incredible Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much for supporting the creation of these videos. I'm not making these videos by myself. Nate, my brother, edits these videos. Josh, our friend, does the original intro and outro music and also runs On-Chain Gaming Clips, which is our second channel, which you can check out in the description. And yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. And until next time, have fun roaming the metaverse.